In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Google Assistant Hey Google on Samsung Galaxy A16. Go in Google, tap on your Google profile, scroll down, go in Settings, tap on Google Assistant, tap on Hey Google and voice match. To enable this, simply tap on this toggle, tap on More, tap on I agree, tap on More, I agree. As you can see, Hey Google is ready. Tap on Next. If you want to save audio, then you can simply tap on Start Saving Audio. But I don't want to save my audio, then I will simply tap on Not Now. Hey Google is enabled now. Simply go and retain voice match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, it registered my voice. Now simply tap on Next. Now let's check it out. Hey Google, I think Hey Google is not working because maybe I think Gemini is set by default. So let's change the Gemini to Google Assistant. Now simply go back again, go in Gemini, scroll down, tap on Detailed Assistant from Google, select the Google Assistant from here, tap on Switch. Now let's check it out. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Got it, 5 minutes. And that's starting now.
As you can see, now Hey Google is working. So this is how you can turn on Google Assistant Hey Google on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.